fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
What's up, lifers? We're finna bring you part 2 to the seed starting, to the next step that we're finna go to. It wasn't as successful as I wanted it to be on the first try, but we'll show you and let you see what's up. And we're finna get to it, and I'll bring you back when we get started. It's kind of raining out here. We're gonna do some of it outside, some of it inside, and I'll bring y'all back when we get started. Hope everybody's enjoying these videos. We're gonna bring a lot more of them to you. Gardening, fishing, hunting, camping. That's what I do, people. Tell everybody. Lifers, as y'all can see, we had quite a bit of the watermelon to come up. Got a 12. 2 didn't. And then 1 didn't over here. I moved some over here. I had extra seeds. Now the cucumbers, let's talk about those. We had 12 of them. 5 of them didn't come up at all. Then we got stuff over here that we marked that we don't even know what it is because the mark's all washed off. I think them are squash though. And they're still steadily coming up. We're gonna get the ones that are up out of there that are ready to transplant, and then we're gonna get the cover back on it. Add a little fertilizer to it. Did I show you my peppers? I didn't buy but 2 because nobody in their right mind really eats these, but we got a couple of them. That's them Carolina Reapers, whatever y'all call them. That ought to make your butthole sweat right there. We're going to transplant them into these little pots right here. And we're going to set them in a tray where they'll hold a little bit of water underneath them. They'll absorb it when they need it. And we're finna pull them out right there, put in them pots. Do the watermelons first. And I'll show you as we get there to it. Actually, Mom's gonna be doing the work and I'm gonna be filming. She said she don't want to be on camera, so pretty much all y'all gonna see is her hands. Getting the first one out. Them seeds went all the way through. Of course, we're using Miracle Grow cotton soil because that's what we do for everything. I'm gonna have to go get a grow light for sure. But right now, we're gonna set them on a east facing window where they'll be getting sun till tomorrow anyway. Well, they're not gonna get much sun today, but it's a little cloudy and rainy today. I gotta get off here and get to helping her. Alright, lifers, we got all that done. We're finna move them in the house where we're gonna keep them for a couple of weeks. We're really running out of room, a lot of room. And we're finna start some more. I'm probably not gonna show y'all that. We're just gonna start some Jubilee watermelons and some Better Boy tomatoes. Not very many, I don't have very many seeds of them, but I got enough it'll save me some money when it's time to go buy plants. Alright, lifers, I hope y'all enjoyed this cringy little video. Just showing you what we do around here. We're trying to get ready for the garden. We're gonna have a bunch of plants. I might run out of space. I might have to break a new spot up. But we're gonna try to sell a few watermelons, sell a few maters, and we're gonna eat everything else we can. You know, kind of like Bluebell. We're gonna eat all we can and sell the rest. Alright, hope y'all have enjoyed this little short cringy ass video. Like, share, subscribe. Like I say, we do it all over here at Big John's Life. Everything. And we're gone.